Nestle Fresh biscuits sound good.
Looks good.
We got the same thing.
Who got the same thing?
Me and you. I just took off the avocado. But the middle school apple though. No, I thought it was gonna be apple slice for me too. It looks great. This tooth is authentic, not out the bag. Not authentic. Erica says we're not eating out the bag anymore. No, good disclaimer, your old job.
Here you go. And she's making your drink for you right now, okay?
Thank
Get these
you.
others out of those way. Picking up things with nails is the worst.
Return of the man. Return of the man. Oh Lord. In the land of all homeland. Home kids.
For the bathroom, what you think?
Yeah. Which one?
This green one. Everything's gray.
Oh, okay.
In the bathroom. At least. I kind of like this Chanel looking one too.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I think they got some more on this side. Oh, no, they're the same ones.
It's so cute. How you feel about these, Taylor? You say I'll go for a string?
Yeah, for 2 brushes and stuff.
Huh?
Yeah.
The green. Still 16. This is a set, huh?
Yeah.
I don't think this goes with it. Maybe.
Oh, no, that don't go because that's different. There's more on here than there is on the rest of the stuff.
Huh?
I said it's more stuff on here than it is the rest of the stuff.
Keep that on deck just in case.
Oh, that's pretty too. I like the clear.
You like the clear?
Yeah. Was it span?
Yeah.
All of that was like pictures for show. Was actually stuff in there.
Ginger powder, chili powder, mint. Whatever you think it's worth $40? I kind of think it's worth it just because
I think
EBC was like $4, $8. I kind of like it. Why are you so angry?
We shall sell and we have to sell. Excuse us.
What? Uh-oh.
Nah, it's still not gonna close.
Yeah.
Get out.
Why can't we just leave it how we had it?
Because we can't leave those open. Unless we have to take this seat back. Put the seat down. Put this back. Can you put the seat down?
I guess. I don't know how to do it.
I'll take this out. Pull.
Let me tell you. We finally got this thing up in the damn car.
Oh my God.
Oh my fucking God.
What way?
Next purchase.
Baby.
I need a truck. Truck me, please. Oh my God.
Look, I need a drink.
Not a drink. Then my sister's friend needed a microwave. So look at this shit. We just, Lord God.
My titties, y'all. My titties.
Luckily the drive is only 5 minutes. If that. Thank God.
It's the double D's for me.
It's me. Well, hello.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Welcome to my new abode. Come on in. Here's to my first apartment tour. This is the living room. My dining area. You guys watch my lighting. Come into the kitchen. Come. So we got stainless steel appliances. We got plenty of cabinetry. Plenty. I love it here already. You know what's funny? People used to make fun of me for saying Frigidaire. And it's actually a brand. I'm not gonna lie, when I was looking for my apartment, all I could hear is Nene Leakes in my thoughts saying, "Oh, white refrigerator." So, here we are. I'm ready to cook. Come with me to the bathroom. Can we talk about space? I don't know why, but I love this little nook right here a lot. It makes me happy. This is my tub. This is for the laundry, but it's actually very spacious as well. And to the bonbon room. just my room. And we love a thick line. Look how fucking dark you got. My God. I could cancel out a lot of stuff. It's definitely a walk-in closet. Hello. I'm not gonna lie. We still need some more space. And we'll be back whenever it's time for home decor. Oh. I got a balcony. Tell me. I got plenty parking. Hello. y'all in the next video.